Hey guys, Belen with Art and Whimsy here today. I want to share with you a quick little plan with me using my PP Weeks and the March Cocoa Daisy kit called Orchard Path. Now it's a gorgeous kit full of peaches and different shades of sage and mint, and it's really pretty. So I have been using my PP Weeks a lot lately, so I thought I would do a quick little setup with you. Before I do that though, I do want to share with you how I use my horizontal inserts that come with my Cocoa Daisy kit. So I do use them, and I don't think I share them a lot, but I do want to share with you now how I use them. So I generally use them to like track gratitude. I also use them to track actions that I take. And what I mean by actions is, you may have seen in a previous video that my word for the year is action. And this means to me simply taking action every day, doing little acts every day. They don't have to be huge, that kind of help me further along in achieving my goals, basically. And they could be little things like opening my mail because I hate opening mail, or calling the doctor back because I tend to avoid things that I don't like, just simple things like that. So I track that in here just to kind of give myself a little pat on the back for doing some basic adult functions. So this is how I use them. I also do lists and different things in here. So I just wanted to give you a little peek at how I use those horizontal inserts. Okay. So we're going to do the setup in this Print Pressions week. And I really have been enjoying this, just carrying around this little book. This cover is from Foxy Fix, and it's nice to just be able to toss this in my bag and go, and not really have to worry about scuffing or scratching up my planners, because I do tend to baby them, but these for some reason they just feel really portable, and I don't seem to have that. Maybe, I don't know why, really. I just toss it in my bag. So, oops. So I wanted to share with you a quick little setup. Here's one I did for this week, and we will move into setting up for next week. I'm going to complete this using some Cocoa Daisy stickers as well as some washi from Cocoa Daisy. And I think I'm going to go quiet while I do it so that I can speed it up and this video doesn't take a long time. But what you'll see me do first is using washi up here instead of date covers, and I'm going to trim it with my metal ruler, and then I'll go back in with some numbers, date stickers, and just put in the dates. So I am going to get started, and thanks for watching. now I will move on to putting the date stickers down. So I'm going to use these date stickers from Cocoa Daisy. These hydrate stickers, and since I kind of did this a little bit backwards, I might just go ahead and use this box down here for my tracking, because I really am trying to be better about that.
Okay, so I think that I'm good. Actually, this little sticker right here keeps popping up, so I'm going to replace it. Okay, I think that this is wonderful. So, as you can see, it didn't take me a lot of time, and I am ready to go. Add my swag, add some Cocoa Daisy clips, and it's great. Thank you very much for following along. Have a great week and happy planning.